When we talk about the stock market, we're not referring to a single, unified marketplace. Instead, we're talking about a global network of stock exchanges, each one serving as a hub where buyers and sellers come together to trade securities. These exchanges are the backbone of the financial system, and each has its own identity, strengths, and role in the global economy. In this chapter, we'll explore the world's most important stock exchanges, their unique characteristics, and their impact on global finance. A stock exchange is an organized and regulated marketplace where securities such as stocks, bonds, and derivatives are bought and sold. It provides the infrastructure for trading, ensures transparency, and facilitates liquidity. Most major exchanges operate as electronic trading platforms today, though some still maintain physical trading floors. Stock exchanges serve several key purposes. Price discovery, they help determine the fair market value of securities. Liquidity, investors can easily enter or exit positions. Regulation, exchanges enforce listing standards and monitor trading activity. Capital access, companies can raise funds through IPOs and follow-on offerings. New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, the world's largest exchange by market cap, home to major corporations like JP Morgan, ExxonMobil, and Coca-Cola. NASDAQ, known for its technology-heavy listings including Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, fully electronic and fast-growing. London Stock Exchange, LSE, one of the oldest exchanges, home to multinational firms like Unilever, HSBC, and BP. Euronext, a pan-European exchange operating in cities like Paris, Amsterdam, and Brussels, hosts Airbus, L'Oréal, and Sanofi. Tokyo Stock Exchange, TSE, the largest in Asia. Major listings include Toyota, Sony, and SoftBank. Shanghai Stock Exchange, SSE, known for large state-owned enterprises, SOEs, and domestic Chinese firms. Hong Kong Stock Exchange, CAX, acts as a bridge between mainland China and global capital, hosts Tencent, Alibaba, HK Listing, and HSBC. Tadawul, Saudi Stock Exchange, the largest in the MENA region. Saudi Aramco's historic IPO brought global attention to this exchange. Stock exchanges are central to capital flow and economic growth. Each exchange reflects the financial DNA of its region. From the NYSE's global dominance to Tadawul's regional strength, investors can benefit by understanding where companies list and why. Next up, Chapter 6 explores the wide range of market participants, from everyday retail investors to institutional giants.